Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. The saying an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Hello, little. Do you like apple? So, this video for you. At first, we draw the cutting. Next, we draw the body part of the apple. Here we draw curve to draw the apple. Lastly, we draw the leaves of the apple. Apples are a popular and nutritious fruit enjoyed worldwide. Red color. They come in various colors like red, green, and yellow. Apples are a good source of fiber and vitamin C highlights their potential health benefits. Red color. Apples can be eaten fresh, used in pies, or made into juice. Apples are amazing fruits, loved by everyone. They come in many colors, like red and green. And are super good for us. They have several health benefits, like fiber, which is good for our tummies, and vitamins that help keep us healthy. Red color. Green color. Green color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. Then, we draw a small curve. Then draw a straight line, like that. Now we draw airplane first wings. Then we draw backside two wings, one by another. Now to draw a big curved line to finishing the body. draw last wings of the airplane. We draw a curved line. An airplane is a large, flying vehicle. It has wings that help it fly. Airplanes need engines to move. They travel through the sky. Many people travel in airplanes. Airplanes carry cargo too. Now it's time to coloring. We color it very carefully. On the upper body part of the airplane, we use red color. There are different types of airplanes. Passenger planes carry people. Cargo planes carry goods. Fighter planes are used by the military. Airplanes have a cockpit for the pilot. They have a fuselage, which is the main body. The wings help the plane lift off the ground. An airplane needs fuel to fly. The Wright brothers invented the first airplane. On the lower body part of the airplane, we color sky blue. Airports are places where airplanes take off and land. Airplanes make travel much faster. It's exciting to watch an airplane take off. Some airplanes have multiple engines. Airplanes make the world feel smaller. Now we color the wings with yellow color. Yellow color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye. Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Watermelon drawing. Today we draw a summer fruit, watermelon. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a big curve. To draw the watermelon, next, we draw a big curve. To draw the watermelon, again, we draw parallelly a curve. Inside it. Next we draw watermelon seed. Watermelons are large, juicy fruits with a vibrant red flesh and a refreshing, sweet taste. They typically have a green rind and small, dark seeds. Red color. Watermelons are a great source of hydration and contain vitamins and antioxidants. They are often enjoyed during summer, especially on hot days. Watermelons can be eaten fresh, used in fruit salads, or even blended into juices. Watermelon is centuries-old fruit that is juicy and sweet, and many view it as a perfect treat to quench your thirst during summer heat. With a bright, red flesh and little seeds embedded throughout, watermelon is a packed trusted source. With a plethora of nutrients and antioxidants that include vitamins A and C, now we enjoy it. Red color. Green color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.